Hey guys, how's it going? So here's my follow-up to my Taurus TH9c. And I've done a previous video, which is the unboxing and my first overall impressions. And if you haven't seen that yet, be sure to go down in the description and check that previous video as well as my Taurus playlist for plenty of other Taurus pistols. So this is the compact. It comes with a flush fit, 13 round magazine, and also a 17 round mag with a built-in pinky grip sleeve extension here. And this is a hammer fire pistol that will fire either in double action or single action. It also features a slide mounted safety as well as Decocker. And when I first opened it up, my impressions were good. And this is a pistol that a lot of you guys have recommended to me. One that many of you have owned yourself for a long time and had great success. Other people said they were just curious about getting one and would like to see my review and my take on it. So I gave the initial review, and I have a couple updates today. First of all, I had said that it had a polymer trigger. Upon further inspection, I believe it actually has a steel trigger with just a polymer sleeve that fits over it. I also noted in my original unboxing that the trigger felt a little bit spongy with quite a bit of creep. It's still not a 1911 trigger, as we wouldn't expect it to be. Okay, this is a budget pistol. I bought it for like 220 bucks. But just from dry firing it a whole bunch, which if you guys have watched my videos in the past, you know I advocate for lots of dry firing, breaking in your pistol. Just did a recent video about snap caps and all of their uses, right? Well, after lots of dry firing and some range firing, which you're about to see in just a couple minutes here, the trigger's cleaned itself up a lot. A lot more crisp break, a lot more of a smooth and predictable double action. So now that this pistol is breaking in more, I'm actually liking it a lot more than I already did. And I had a pretty good impression right out of the box. Well, let's go to the end of my initial unboxing video. I had put in a snap cap, expecting just to show you guys, that it would chamber and extract, and eject. That's what I thought would happen. That's what happens on 99% of my pistols when I'm just sitting there, dry racking it and doing an unboxing video or whatever I'm doing. And it didn't. And it kind of caused a little concern for me. And I hope none of you thought I was being totally negative. I just thought, hey, this is an issue. And it happened right on camera while I was doing the unboxing. If it didn't happen, well, then it would have just gone by as just a little last 10 seconds of the video, right? But I had some issues. And I sat there and messed around with it quite a bit and kept having the same issues. So I did a follow-up video showing you guys that most of my pistols, and that video is in my Taurus playlist too, extract and eject just fine while dry racking. Still wasn't saying the gun was doomed or anything, and I kept telling you guys the whole time I'm very optimistic that it's going to do well. And a lot of you came in the comments and said, hey man, when you actually fire it, it's probably going to do okay. And that's what I kind of thought too. And I was really hoping so. But I still wanted to include what happened in real life, because I could have just edited that out of the initial review, but then it wouldn't have been a real review and a real unboxing. And I just want to always do real reviews for you guys that shows you exactly what I see, because many of you are spending your hard-earned money on these pistols, and many of you are trusting your lives to these, and I take the responsibility of doing an honest and the best I can decent review. I take that as seriously as I can. So I just showed you guys what happened. Hopefully none of you thought I was being too negative, but I do appreciate you guys' encouragement, telling me all the stories of how good your TH9s, TH9Cs have been. So yeah, just wanted to cover that real quick. So I took it out to the range. I did fire it, and we're going to see what happens in just a minute. But before I do, just remember guys, I'm spending a lot of my time on this channel. It's totally fun, and I'm never trying to make profit off of it. But it does cost me money to go out and buy these pistols, shoot these pistols, take time off work to do this, etc. So if you want to help out a little bit, my Patreon and Subscribe Star links are down in the description. If you can't afford to, it's totally awesome. You're still welcome to hang out and watch just as much as anybody. But like the video if you liked it, share it with your friends, and watch it if you think it's interesting. Alright guys, let's go out to the range and see what happened after this fired its first shots. Alright guys, got the Taurus TH9c, first shots. I had some issues in my unboxing with it not wanting to eject or extract the snap caps. Let's see what happens in live shooting. The first mag, the flush fit 13 round, is going to be with Federal 115 grain ball rounds. This is the brass case. I'm going to follow it up with the 17 round mag with some 124 grain Winchester white box NATO. So, let's see how it goes. Alright, everything extracted, ejected perfectly, smoke still rolling out of the mag. So far, life is good. Comfortable so far, by the way. Well, I'm going to tell you how much I like it, but hold on. Let's do this next mag. I don't want to jinx anything. It did chamber the round on insertion of the mag. Alright, let's try the Decocker. We got a round in the pipe. Decock the hammer. Try some double action. Alright. Well, it did just great. Double action trigger pulls, not bad. Whew, it's cold out here, guys. If you notice my hand's shaking a little bit, I can barely feel my trigger finger, but yeah, nice double action. So many of you guys told me, dude, just take it out to the range. It's probably going to be fine. I was really hoping so, and once again, you guys are the smartest and you guys are the best. Looks like I have another Taurus pistol I really like. We're going to see more videos on this in the future, for sure. Alright, let's try the Decocker. Alright, well, as you just saw, it functioned flawlessly. Very comfortable. It was cold out that day. That part wasn't very comforting, but this pistol's comfortable. With the flush fit mag, it fits my hand just fine. Even a little extra comfort, and of course round capacity with this 17 rounder. And hey, I know you guys might be getting tired of me giving you so many compliments, but one more time, you guys are awesome. Thank you for all your encouragement on this pistol. Thank you to all of you who suggested this to me. You know, it all started last March with my Taurus G2C. The video was called New Warranty and Worth the Hype. I didn't know what to think about these newer Taurus pistols, but yet another Taurus pistol that's really, really good so far for me. I'm going to do many more range follow-ups on this, let you guys know if it stays reliable. And trust me, I'm looking forward to shooting this again. So appreciate you guys' encouragement telling me that this was probably going to be okay after its initial problems during the initial review of the dry racking it with the snap cap. I was really trying to be optimistic, but do appreciate you guys. And yeah, totally worth it. And the only thing I'm really wondering about this pistol right now, with the deluxe storage case it comes with, the whole kit, the mag loader, the 2 mags, you know, double action, single action, how is this thing only 220 bucks? That's really all I'm trying to figure out at this point. It looks great. The FDE with the black, the little accent with this extended sleeve. I mean, this thing looks good. It shoots good. I'm really, really enjoying it. The steel Novak sights were very easy to pick up. Slide serrations were very comfortable. Ergonomic. Recoil was very minimal. What can I say, guys? Very positive first impressions of this. I have not shot it yet enough where I would depend my life on it. Many of you guys have yours. But so far, I'm just showing you guys what I see. Very happy with it. Very optimistic. The trigger has smoothed out pretty well. Plenty comfortable for me. The action of the slide is very smooth. I like it. Can you guys tell? I really, really do. So, more videos on this coming up soon, as well as other Taurus pistols, follow-ups of other ones that you've seen recently, as well as the first shots of the Taurus G2C project pistol. We're going to be ready to upgrade it, guys. I'm not going to give away too much, or you won't watch that video, but first shots, break-in of the new cyan, that minty green blue color that some of you love, some of you hate, that one. Yeah, it's coming up in a video very soon, and we're going to keep going with that pistol too. But yeah, TH9c, I'm loving it. Appreciate all you guys suggesting it, and let me know what you guys think. Those of you that already have one, those of you that are thinking about it. Shot fine. No failure to extract or eject at the range. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and have a good one.